Something interesting is happening in the world of TV tech right now. If you look closely at the newest generation of US streaming sticks, the tiny HDMI devices people plug into their TVs, you'll notice a feature they've never had before. A USB port. It might look small, it might seem insignificant, but it represents a major shift in how companies expect Americans to use their streaming devices over the next few years. For the first time ever, streaming sticks are being designed not just as simple media players, but as expandable hubs that can grow with the needs of modern households. So what's driving this change? Why are USB ports suddenly showing up on devices that were always known for being minimalistic and sealed off from upgrades? The first reason is simple. Storage needs are growing fast. As apps get bigger and streaming services pack in more features, the tiny internal storage on older sticks isn't cutting it anymore. Many users have faced the same frustrating message over and over. Storage almost full. Adding a USB port changes that completely. It allows users to plug in USB drives for additional storage, letting them install more apps, save more content, and run updates without constantly deleting things. It's a small hardware upgrade that solves one of the biggest complaints streaming stick owners have had for years. But storage is only the beginning. The second major reason brands are adding USB ports is to support powered accessories. As streaming sticks become more capable, they're also being used for more advanced tasks, things like screen mirroring, local media playback, game streaming, and even light gaming. These features often require more power or extra peripherals that earlier models couldn't handle. With a USB port, users can connect wired controllers, external streaming devices, additional sensors, or even Ethernet adapters. Companies realize that more Americans are turning their living rooms into multi-purpose entertainment spaces, and the USB port gives them flexibility to grow. Another piece of the story is the shift toward offline content. More consumers want the option to watch movies, shows, or personal videos stored on physical drives. While everything feels cloud-based today, people still enjoy keeping collections of home videos, personal recordings, downloaded files, or media libraries they've built over years. A USB port makes it easy to play this content directly through the streaming device without relying on a computer or network server. As families organize digital libraries and media collections, manufacturers are responding by giving them a simple way to access that content on screen. There's also a strong demand for improved connectivity options. Not everyone has perfect Wi-Fi. Many households have dead spots or interference, especially in older homes or large apartments. USB ports enable something crucial: wired network access. With a simple USB to Ethernet adapter, a streaming stick instantly becomes more stable, more reliable, and capable of handling higher quality streams. This matters as 4K and soon 8K content becomes more common. Consumers want stable playback, and brands are offering the ports needed to make that possible. On the design side, streaming sticks have matured enough that companies are no longer afraid of adding slight complexity. For years, the priority was to make devices as small and simple as possible. But once every brand achieved that goal, differentiation became difficult. USB ports help newer. For years, the priority was to make devices as small and simple as possible. But once every brand achieved that goal, differentiation became difficult. USB ports help newer models stand out in a saturated market. They add value without drastically changing the shape or size of the device. Smart home dashboards, support video calls, and interact
replacing the entire stick. Many companies are under pressure to reduce electronic waste, and making devices more upgrade-friendly helps extend product life cycles. USB ports also support accessories that enhance accessibility. Physical remotes, adaptive controllers, and assistive devices can plug into these ports, making the technology easier to use for people with disabilities or mobility challenges. Accessibility is becoming a major focus across the tech industry, and having connection options is a simple but meaningful step toward more inclusive design. There's also a consumer behavior trend at play. People are buying fewer traditional set-top boxes. They want something small, affordable, and easy to move from room to room. A USB-equipped streaming stick acts like a tiny modular box that can instantly become more powerful when needed. This modular approach resonates with modern consumers who prefer flexible tech over fixed-purpose gadgets. Finally, competition is pushing this trend harder than anything else. As soon as one major brand introduced a USB port and saw positive feedback, others took notice. They realized that adding expandability improves reviews, boosts customer satisfaction, and gives tech reviewers more reasons to recommend their products. In a market where every device offers similar apps and interfaces, hardware versatility becomes a key selling point. Looking ahead, USB ports on streaming sticks might become the standard, not the exception. As people demand more storage, better performance, and more connectivity from devices that fit in the palm of their hand, it makes perfect sense. The modern consumer doesn't just want a streaming device. They want a small, powerful, adaptable tool that can evolve alongside their entertainment setup. And the truth is simple. A single USB port unlocks possibilities that streaming sticks were never capable of before. Expandable, customizable, and more durable in the long run, it transforms what used to be a basic product into a flexible entertainment hub built for the future of streaming.